Okay, here we are in the library catalog. So I'm going to demonstrate the use of the library catalog, which is where you look for books and ebooks. Our library webpage does not have a single search box where you can search for both books and articles at the same time. So you will click on the catalog link to get here. And this is going to be the basic search. And then you can also play around with the advanced search using the Boolean operators. Read up on what those are in the lectures this week. So I'll start here just to show you quickly the library catalog. If I search for gun control, it's populating with gun control, laws, history, Australia, movement, biography. I'm just going to keep it really simple and search for gun control. It also gave me the option to search in the library catalog or the course reserves. The course reserves is a collection of textbooks we have on reserve. But right now I just want to look for books in our collection. And there's two types of collections here. There's physical books that are held in the library, and then there are ebooks that are available online. We have about 22,000 physical books in the Ridgecrest campus library, and we've got about 30,000 ebooks. That's my kid. Cole, I'm recording. So anyway, I can limit my search to only ebooks by clicking this available online link. And now all of these books that I'm looking at, these 29 results, are only electronic books. I can also sort, by the newest to the oldest date. Please don't turn that on. I'm doing a recording. Or I can, but it defaults to a relevance search. There's also other ways I can limit. I can limit by subject, which is kind of interesting. We've got gun control United States, firearm laws. This subject limiter breaks down my original search on gun control to a lot of different subject headings, controlled vocabulary, okay? So those are the ways I can limit my search. I am going to just open up this book right here, Can Gun Control Work? And let's see, this is the catalog record. To actually view the book online, I'm going to open it up by clicking this link. But before I do that, I just want to point out some fields. We've got the title, the subject terms. This is the controlled vocabulary. This is very important that you understand the subject terms and what that is. Here's a description of the book, the contents, publisher information. This is all the information you would need potentially to build a citation. But the beauty of ebooks is that you will be able to locate a citation link that generates the AP or MLA citation for you. So let's go in here. I'm being asked for my login credentials. Once I do this once, it's not going to prompt me for it again during this work session. Now I am looking at the ebook once it opens up. And here it is, Can Gun Control Work? Here's the book. I'm still not in the full text of the book. I would need to click open full text over here or scroll down to the table of contents and open that up there. Really cool features about an ebook. I can print 10% of the book, email myself 10% of the pages of the book, save it, cite it. There's permalinks. You wouldn't really ever need to know how to do those tools. Let's open this up so I can see really quick the full content of the ebook. The toolbar disappeared and now those tools are up here. This is again where I can email yourself pages, print pages, cite the ebook. You can click the citation tool and it generates my citations for me. One thing it also always gets wrong in the APA citation is the titles of books and articles should be written in sentence style capitalization. So the G would be not capitalized, the C would not be capitalized, and the W would not be capitalized. That's only for APA. For MLA, all the important words are written out in with capitalized first words. Going to X out of the citation area. Here's the book. I can advance the pages here or just scroll through. I'm going to just toggle back to the catalog. If I click the X here, it will show me some additional titles. So there's my 29. These are all ebooks. The tools over here are similar to the ones I just pointed out. Once you open up an ebook, I can email myself. But right now, keep in mind, if I click the email link right here, it's only going to email me the catalog record. It's not going to email me the full text of the book. It's going to email me the citation and catalog record where it lists the description of the contents, etc. The quote mark right there is the citation tool. And again, it's going to copy you. It looks like it defaults to the APA citation. Looks like it got the APA citation correct in terms of the sentence style capitalization. Or I can toggle over to MLA, and it looks like it's up there as well. The only thing that's missing on the citation for an ebook is the ebook database information that would go after the date here. So the citation tools are super handy, but you do need to make sure and use the handbooks and other source resources to make sure you're perfecting the citation. That's about it. The advanced search, real quick, I don't want to make this too long of a video, is where you can do the Boolean operators, and, or not. If I type and, if I use the and I say I want to search for the subject of gun control, and I want the title to contain the word law. And let's see, I can also do an advanced search with language and publication date. Let's see here, I click search. And drum roll, please. Oh, it found 2 results. And do you see they have the word law in the title? And it's also about the subject of gun control. So that is the advanced search, and you will be needing to demonstrate a firm grasp of how to do that in this class. And you'll get a chance to do that when we do the databases, as well as this week. There's also the interlibrary loan request from here. I mentioned it in a lecture this week. That's where you can request titles not in our collection to be sent from other libraries. Articles typically take a day. Books take a week or 2, so you want to keep that time constraint in your mind. Connection help, if you're having trouble connecting to the online resources, if your login isn't working, that's where you would fill out a form to have us troubleshoot your connection issue. All right, this video is longer than I wanted it to be. Tried to keep it 5 minutes. We're at 8 minutes and 30 seconds. But I did want to showcase the catalog with a handy video. Okay, that is it. And please contact me in office hours or email, phone, if you have any questions about this week's assignment. All right, bye.